While all others are asleep, the silent predator is on the hunt. Its mission, the harassment of its cliffside neighbors. The online Raptor Nest Cams reveal the fascinating wildlife of Israel. The short-toed eagle, snake hunter. The griffon vulture, nature's sanitarian. The eagle owl, king of the night. The long-legged buzzard, ruler of the open grasslands. An exciting reality show brings higher ratings, and the project is already followed by millions of viewers around the world. Drama is always just around the corner. Love, loyalty, family feuds, passion, and bravery, like the mother buzzard who chased away the martin when it came too close. There's never a dull moment in this secret world. The action continues now the eagle owls are awake. With superpowers including perfect camouflage, multi-directional hearing, killer talons, and night vision, you'd be well advised to avoid them if you can, especially if you're a bat. Don't be fooled by its beautiful orange eyes. It's a killing machine, preying on birds, mammals, and reptiles. The female eagle owl doesn't hesitate and attacks even the large whip snake, which comes too close to the nest and scares it away. Morning in the desert, the griffon vulture feeds on carrion and prevents disease from spreading. Once a common breeder, only 40 pairs now remain in Israel, earning them the dubious honor of becoming an endangered species here. The female will do anything to ensure the survival of her young, even if she has to stand as a sunshade all day for them. Meanwhile, the buzzard parents are busy feeding their hungry offspring. These devoted parents bring 280 prey items to the nest every single season, including everything the open grassland can offer: reptiles, birds, and mammals. But some escape back to nature. While it really gets boring at the buzzard nest, the short-toed eagles are breakfasting on a snake dish that the male extracts at the nest. Suddenly, a wildfire starts close to the nest, in front of the nestling's eyes. The aerial firefighters act quickly to stop the fire, and the eagles are safe. But not for long. 2 thieves have come to steal the chick, taking it out of the nest, live on camera. They fail in their attempt, and the chick is left helpless under the nest. Help is needed. The Nest Cam team has to intervene and returns the nestling in live camera. Our story has a happy ending, as all the nestlings finally spread their wings, including the eagle, which was saved from the fire and the thieves. And the animals caught on camera can have their own nature rave. remember, there might be someone watching you.